How to sign out of one Gmail account. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can sign out of one Gmail account. So how do you do it? Okay, the first step is for you to launch your Gmail account just like I've done here. And so once you've launched, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner and then tap on your profile picture. Then once you've done that, amongst the options displayed, just go ahead and select manage accounts on this device. Then you'll be brought to the account and sync page. Click on Google and then your Google account will be displayed. So yeah, select the account that you would like to remove from this device. Then move to the bottom part and click on more, and you'll see two options: sync now, remove account. So click on remove account, and then you can see removing this account to delete all of its messages, contacts, and all the data from this phone. Click on remove account, and then that way you will be signed out of this Gmail account automatically. So you can see how simple it is. This is how you can sign out of one Gmail account on your mobile phone. That is it. Thank you for watching, and go try this out now.